Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to generate a sale bill by retrieving sale order in Logic ERP. So, let's get started. Let's first take a quick look at the sales order that we have already generated. Head to the Order Processing module and open Sales Order. Right-click on the Modify button. Here, you can view the sales orders that have already been created. Let's view them one by one. Now, let's retrieve these sales orders into the sales bill. Select the customer for whom you want to generate a sales bill. Upon selecting the customer, a reminder message appears stating that a pending order exists for this party. In the Item Details window, click on Retrieve Order and select the sales order from the list. As displayed, all pending orders for the selected customer are listed. You can retrieve multiple sales orders into a single sales bill. Let's retrieve the first two sales orders. From the selected sales orders, all items are displayed. Choose the specific items you wish to include in this sales bill and click OK. The sales orders are successfully retrieved. Finally, save the sales bill. You can also map sales order fields to sales bill fields during sales order retrieval. Let us take a quick look at this functionality. For the same, first head to the Sales Voucher Configuration module and select the relevant sales bill series. Go to Other Settings 1 and open Other Settings. Under Defaults 2, you will find the option labeled Map SO Fields. This window allows you to map or link sales order fields directly to sales bill fields. Let's map the party order number with the order number by pressing the spacebar in the sales field. A drop-down list will appear. Simply select the required field. Let us also map CD% with CD% and TD% with TD%. Save the configuration. Now, let us create a sales order. Enter party order number here and select party name. Proceed to transact the items. Also, apply CD% and TD% to the items. Save the sales order. Now, let's create a sales bill by retrieving the sales order. Select the relevant party. Click on Retrieve Order and choose the required item. As you can observe, the item has been successfully retrieved and the CD% and TD% entered in the sales order is correctly reflected in the CD% and TD% field. Under Other Details, you can also observe that the party order number is reflected in the order number field. Finally, save the sales bill. In the Pending Sales Order report, you can also track the ordered quantity, dispatched quantity, and the pending or balance quantity for each sales order and item. Let's also take a look at the sales details in the Sales Register Detailed Report. Here you can view complete sales transaction details for accurate sales tracking and reconciliation.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.